Leafs, well, for the award show, I'd like to start off thanking everybody at... What? What do you mean dress more formal? Wow, this is formal. Oh, thank you, Monica. Well, as you could see, I was pretty shocked when I heard my name get called, and I'm still pretty shocked. I won't lie, I kind of misplaced my award, and I can't find it anywhere. But either way, I'll send my thanks anyways. First off, I'd like to thank everybody at... Avery, get lost! I'd like to say... Okay, honestly... Oh! As you can see, this is my award that I won at the Leaf Space Party. It's a hockey stick with many Leaf signatures on it. I was able to find Matt Stajan's signature, Ponikarovsky, and even Curtis Joseph. Although I wasn't able to find Matt Sundin's autograph, I assume he was sick that day. I'd like to thank everybody that I met at the party, such as Leaper by Blood, Effie Wiggles, Leafs Fan 71, Habsuck, Steve Dangle, and many, many more. I'm sorry if I didn't mention your name. Anyway, I'd like to thank everybody at Leaf Space, the management, Monica with the K. Thank you guys for making me feel very welcome in the big city of Toronto. This trip was so awesome that it was worth the 5-hour drive there and back. My biggest thank you goes to Steve Dangle, because if it wasn't for him making videos, I would have never made a top 10 video of him and won this award. Steve, the reason I love your videos so much is because you keep it real, you use comedy to keep us entertained, and you know what you're talking about, and the biggest part, you're a Leafs fan. I know Steve's top 10 could have been better, but at the time I didn't have the time to actually go through all the videos, but I'm pretty sure season 2 is gonna be a little better. This is a little message to all the Steve haters out there. Leave Steve Dangle alone. I love this. Thank you so much for this award, and I'm never gonna let anybody touch it. Don't worry, Stick. I got your back. I'd also like to thank my two friends, Holly and Todd, for coming with me to Toronto and be at this awesome event. And I'd also like to thank Mother Nature for the great weather we were blessed with. I'd also like to thank my parents for putting up with me listening to Steve Dangle's videos all the time. Mandy, don't you get tired of watching the same video over and over again?
I don't watch the same video over and over again. He just makes a video for every Leafs game. What, you want to see some? He's pretty hilarious.
No, I'll just go fold the laundry now.
Fine.
Well, Leaf Space, thank you very much. I appreciate this a lot, and keep up the great work, and go Leafs, go!